Okay, so welcome to the second video. So last video we talked about taking a screenshot of a map and creating a new folder with some subfolders in it just to organize your project. So the next thing we're going to be doing is using Photoshop, and we're going to be setting up a new document. So if you open Photoshop and go to Create New, we're going to start a new document to work on. So we're going to go to the print category here. We're going to have a look at all the presets, and we want to have an A3 sized document here. There's a few changes we're going to make here though. So instead of being a portrait orientation, we're going to turn it into a landscape orientation, just because it suits the project a little better. We're going to keep the resolution at 300 pixels per inch. We're going to change the color mode from RGB to CMYK, just because that provides a few more colors when we actually go to print it, and it looks like an overall better finished art product. And everything else here seems to be okay, so we're going to keep it at 8-bit, and we're going to keep the background as white. So just hit create once you've done that, and here is your document. So the next thing we want to do is open up the image of our map. So we can do that by going up here and going File, Open, or we can use the shortcut, which as you can see is Command O. And we're going to go into our folder and then double click on the screenshot. So as you can see, there's the image of the map. But I want it on my new document, which is the right size. So what we're going to do is select the marquee tool, which is the kind of dotted rectangle below the cross at the top on the toolbar, and we'll go through a few more of the tools as we go through this. So select the marquee tool, and you want to select the entire area, and you'll see the flashing kind of dotted line around the outside once you've selected that. So what we can do now is press Command C, which is the shortcut for copy, and then we're going to go back to our other tab, which is our new document, and we're going to press Command V, which is paste. And as you can see, there is our map, but it's not the right size. So we're going to go over here and select the Move tool, which is the cross at the top, and then we can move it. So we're going to move it into the corner down here. And we're going to make it bigger by using the shortcut Command T, which is the transform shortcut. And we're going to grab the corner and pull it up until it fills the document area. And it's okay if it goes off to the side a little bit like it has here, because we can crop that image in a second. So just press Enter to finalize those size changes. And then to crop it, to make it the right size, we're just going to press C, and then we're going to press Enter, and you'll see here that it's asking you, basically, do you want to crop out these bits on the side, and to confirm that you just press Enter again. So now we have the right sized map on the right sized document. So we can close that original screenshot tab now, because we don't need it anymore. And yeah, we're ready to start working on our map collage. So next tutorial, I'm going to be talking to you about using the pen tool and the define pattern tool, and we're going to be starting to actually put together our map here.